हे गाइस, शमशाद इज हियर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले एक बहुत ही सुपर स्मार्ट एंड सुपर क्रिएटिव फंक्शन ऑफ एमएस पावर पॉइंट डिजाइन आइडियाज। यू कैन कन्वर्ट योर boring slide into a more professional slide with just one click. So why not jump on my PC screen and I'll show you how we can implement that. So here I am on my PC with MS PowerPoint open, and it is the latest version of MS PowerPoint I have in my system. So if you see this particular slide, I have just two text positive heart and some shade edge, and it's very boring slide because there is nothing much on this slide. If you want to make this slide more attractive, then you have to do a lot of work. But with the very cool function in MS PowerPoint design ideas, with just one click, you can convert this particular slide into a more attractive slide. So let me show you how we can do that. So go to home tab, and then on the right side of the tab, you see the design ideas. You can also find this design ideas tab if you go to a design, and then you see the right side of a ribbon design ideas. Just click on that. So as soon as you click on this design ideas tab, based on the text that you have in the slide, it will generate ideas, and then you can select any of these if you are okay with that. And if you want to see more designs, just scroll down and you'll see more design ideas. Click on that and it will generate more design ideas for you. I find this is okay. So what you need to do, you just need to click on this particular slide and it will be implemented to your slide. So with just one click, you can see this slide, boring slide, convert into a more creative or attractive slide. A clear difference, a slide that we had in the beginning and slide that we have with a simple one click. Let me show you one more thing. Let me add an image to this slide, my profile pic. And as soon as I click on this insert, these design ideas will give you more ideas based on text and images that you have in your slide. So now I can see different designs. I can select any of this that you like. So now let me click on this particular. I like the first one very much. So I click on that. Now you can see this has been implemented to your slides. Now let's go to a slideshow mode. Now you see the difference, that slide that we had in the beginning and the slide that we have currently. So that's all from this tutorial, and you guys saw that we didn't do anything. All has been done by a super cool function of MS PowerPoint design ideas. So you can go more creative with that as much as you add text or images to your slide, and based on that it will generate ideas, design ideas, and you can select whatever fit to your theme or your presentation. With just one click, you can simply convert your boring slide into a more creative or a more professional slides. So go ahead and use this cool feature or function of MS PowerPoint. Hope you love this tutorial. Share your thought in the comment box, and I will see you in the next video with another tutorial. Until then, bye bye, take care.